All right, so we're finding the inverse of the equation. So like we said, to find the inverse, you're switching your x and your y. So we have x equals 2 to the y plus 4. The goal is to get the y by itself. So you go through using inverse operations, starting from addition and subtraction and working your way backwards of PEMDAS to get y by itself. So I have plus 4. I'm going to get rid of it by subtracting it. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And now we're here. Okay, I have an exponent as the power. So this is an exponential. In order to get rid of an exponential, we have to take the log. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. So I have log of x minus 4. And now my y is free because I'm taking the log of 2. Lastly, to get y by itself, this is implied multiplication. So in order to get it by itself, I'm going to have to divide log 2. So therefore, my inverse equals the log of x minus 4 divided by log of 2. Okay, I can condense this down to being log base 2 of x minus 4. Or I can leave it as a fraction. All right, so it asks us to graph here. Because these are, you would create a table of points, but yeah. But because to save time, we're just gonna graph it in the calculator and sketch it out, if that's okay with you guys. So we have y equals x. So here's my calculator. I'm gonna reset it. And I'm gonna put in my original. So my original graph is 2 to the x. So I have 2 to the power of x plus 4. I have my log base. I either can write it as the fraction or I can, on the calculator, put in log base. For me, I have to go to math. And I'm going to go to number. Oh, not my number. Math. And I'm going to scroll down to log base because that's how I get it. And it's 2x minus 4. Now, we're going to also put in our y equals x line. Yes. Y'all are alpha window. I never actually tried it on mine. Oh, it's there too. I've just always done math. I've just always done math and gone down on the catalog. Interesting. Here we go. And in the y3, I actually want you to put in your y equals x. So we're just going to put x here. But the thing is, we're going to change it from being a solid line to being a dashed. In order to do that, you're just going to arrow over to where the solid line is. And you're going to click enter until you see a dashed line. All right. So again, calculator. It's okay to graph it. To see it. When it's like a quadratic or a linear, you shouldn't really need a calculator to do your graphs. The numbers are usually easier to manipulate and deal with. Can you please take it out while I'm teaching? Can you please take it out while I'm teaching? I'm asking. You can say no, and